Welcome back to Quiz RAD. Choose your gift challenge, Ultimate Edition. Today, you'll face 30 amazing choices from luxury mansions and dream cars to tasty treats and secret treasures. Ready? Let's see if you end up lucky, legendary, or just a little unlucky. Let's jump right in. Where would you love to wake up? Hope your home's a dream come true. Which ride defines your style? Win or wipe out, let's see. Which one are you texting from? Connected or disconnected? Which outfit screams you? Runway star or fashion flop? Step into your dream look. Fly or flop your move? Which slice looks best? Yum or yuck, you decide. Friday night pizza pick. Melt hearts or burn crusts? Level up your gaming setup. Game on or game over? Which one shines your vibe? Dazzling or dull, pick now. Find the odd one out. Great choice. Which bag completes your look? Runway ready or messy Mayday? Make every second stylish. Timeless or timeout? Which shades fit your face? Superstar or mystery shopper? Adventure time, pick your ride. Free spirit or squeaky ride? Which pool feels relaxing? Dream, swim, or swamp dive? Chill time, pick your comfort. Cozy or chaos? Rain or shine, stay covered. Dry win or drenched fail? Pick your perfect scent. Fresh or flop? Sky high ride, what's your pick? Takeoff or touchdown? Would you rather live in a beach villa, city penthouse, or mountain cabin? Your home equals your vibe. Tooth time, which one tempts you the most? Hope your choice was sugar heaven, not sugar disaster. Which mug starts your day? Hot start or cold fail? Where will you swing away? Paradise or plummet? Which kitchen sparks your skills? Chef mode or microwave mode? Fly high, pick your drone. Soar or crash? Which watch rules your wrist? Smart pick or start over? Where are you escaping to? Dream or disaster trip? Which cabin feels like home? Calm or creepy? Which pet steals your heart? Forever friend or chaos cutie? Which crown will you rule with? Glory or rust? Great job, gift hunters! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more fun challenges and mystery gift games only on Quiz RAD. See you in the next one, where your next pick might just change everything.